Everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm gonna tell you how to cash out on Cashapp without bank account or debit card. So for that you need to have a Cashapp application on your mobile phone, and if you don't have it, just go to your Apple Store or Google Play Store and download from there and set up your account and add your banking details. Now open up your Cashapp on your smartphone and click on this banking icon at the bottom left corner of your mobile screen. You will see your cash balance and these two tabs called Add Cash and Cash Out. So just simply click on Cash Out. Either choose from the given amount on the screen, or you can simply type on the amount you want to cash out. Just click on Cash Out, and here you will see these two options. If you want to cash out the amount instantly, you have to pay a certain fees, and if you don't want to pay any fees, just click on the standard. Here you will be redirected to the screen where it will tell you that when will you receive the money from your Cashapp account to your bank account. And that's it. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to like it, and I'll see you the next time.